आणि आता खबरो विस्तारान. आप पक्ष गोयच्या जनतेक भडकायता. ट्रजानो डिमेलोन आपाचो मुखेलमंत्री उमेदवार एल्विस गोमसाक भाजपा सरकाराचे भ्रष्ट रूप उक्ताडार हाडून दाखय म्हूण ओपन चॅलेंज केल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान सुशील शुक्ला.
The AAP Goa unit very recently declared its manifesto. It never spoke a word about Delhi model of government. It never said a word that they will have a government that will replicate Delhi administration, because everybody knows that the people of Delhi are frustrated and repent for having brought in that government. To the election coming to take suo motu action? If not, I too will study the legal implications. I will not hesitate to file a formal complaint, for this is an open inducement of corruption. I would like to remind you all that the Delhi Congress Pradesh Committee President Mr. Ajay Makkan was here for an open debate in Goa before the elections on his Delhi governance, to show him what he is. Not uttered a word. A political coward. Come out for open debate. That too, that came out from Delhi Pradesh Congress Committee President Mr. Ajay Makkan in Goa. Through an open challenge to him, he has not denied the charges made by Ajay Makkan, nor has made a word about that debate. He is a political coward, a public dishonest man who is inducing the Goans to be corrupt by taking money. Will not be tolerated by Goans, and you will see the result. You will get a shocker. It will be the reverse of Delhi. He is dreaming. Goans are not fools. But who has served both these governments? Was he at least aware? If he is aware, I have taken a press conference. Please understand. And have challenged Elvis. I have challenged Elvis to come out with the corruption of this government. Is he not aware? Forget not being part. Your silence of a known corruption means you are a collaborator.